Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how we can put a filter, a black and white filter on an image. For this, we need the pillow module. You can install this pillow module using pip install pillow command. How we can achieve this? We will just open the image using the library commands. Then we will use the L mode, luminance mode, which actually removes all the color information from the image, which gives us black and white image. And then at the last we will save and close the image. Let's go back to the VS Code. I have already created one file black white filter.py, right? And I have already kept one image photo.jpg that I can show you. This is the image we will convert to black and white. This is at the same location where my code is. So I have already imported image class from the PIL module, which actually refers to pillow module only. And I have kept the photo path as well. If you have photo in some other location, you can give the absolute path. Now what we need to do, we need to open this image now. For that I'm taking image variable. Then we will open the image using image.open function. And then we will provide the photo path. Right? Now we want to convert it into the black and white. So I'm giving a variable bw underscore image, that is black and white image. Now what we need to do, we just need to call image and then convert to L mode. As I already mentioned, it actually removes all the color information from the image. Then we need to save the image. Let's give it a name as black and white image dot jpg, and at the end we will close this image. Image dot close. Let's print a message also once. Print black and white image generated. That's it. Save this and run this. Now we have got the message black and white image generated. Let's see if it does. Now you can see black and white image.jpg is generated, and boom, we have the black and white image. So this is how you can convert a colorful image into black and white image and put it on your Instagram. Thank you.